In front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now you can click on this microphone at the top right corner right away, or if it's not visible, tap on this gear. Hit voice typing and activate it thanks to this switcher next to use voice typing feature. Either way, when you have your microphone visible, tap on it. Hit while using the app in the pop-up. Tap on the same microphone again and this time start typing. When it's blue, that means that voice typing is on. As you can see, voice typing is working properly. To stop, tap on the same microphone. To use more options of voice typing, tap on your microphone and then a tiny icon right next to it. Then hit next, select done, and operate voice typing from here. Thanks to this option, you can delete your text on the go by clicking on this button next to your microphone. You can access all options of voice typing and some of your keyboard by clicking on those three lines at the bottom left corner and checking out all of those. And also go back to standard keyboard by tapping on this keyboard icon also at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!